You want to stay out?
Come on.
You want to stay out here? You can pick up the ice now.
Where's the basket?
Watch. Get in. You gotta get in.
Okay, watch
Look,
mommy.
Look. I'm gonna pull mommy.
Do you want to get in and ride?
No.
Come here to sit in here with mommy.
Come on, buddy.
Come here and sit with me.
It's hard to pull. I know. There we go. Come sit with mommy. It's fun. It's like a ride.
Come here. Come sit with me.
Ride.
Come here, bud.
Oh, so much fun.
Come here and sit with me. It'll be fun.
But that's so much fun. It's not your thing. Okay, what are you doing? What are we doing? You want to do? Somebody would call me in if I was here.
What do you want to do? You want to just slide? You want to ice skate?
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Oh, somebody is laughing there.
That's awesome.
What? Eli, your snot's going to freeze on your face. Come here. You wipe your nose.
Hey, yeah, look. Look. Whoa! You okay?
Okay?
See, it feels a lot better. Feels a lot better than earlier, doesn't it? With gloves when you fall. Doesn't hurt.
You want to get in the basket and ride?
No.
Watch. Oh, good job. Woo! We broke it. Watch. Mommy's going to break it.
I too. I got it.
You sure do.
You want me to try to get a picture of you and him?
What are you going to do with that? You're about to slip and fall, buddy.
Do you want me to try to get a picture of you and him?
Yeah. Oh, good throw.
Eli, can you get a picture with Daddy?
Yeah, come here with Daddy. Let's take a picture.